வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே, இது உங்கள் வைரவ பழனிசாமி. நம்ம டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சி குரூப் 1 2022 கேட்கப்பட்ட கேள்விகளை பார்த்துட்ருக்கோம். அந்த வகையில் இந்த எபிசோடோட இந்த மொத்த கேள்விகளும் முடியுது. வாங்க பார்க்கலாம். 171st கொஸ்டின். நேரு மகளபோனிஸ் பிளானிங் மாடல் வாஸ் பேஸ்ட் ஆன் தி ஃபாலோயிங் ஸ்ட்ராட்டஜிஸ் எம்பசைஸ்ட் ஆர் 1. High rate of saving. 2. Preferred a heavy industry. 3. Discouraged import substitution. 4. Safeguard infant industry. A. 1 and 2 correct. B. 1, 2, 3 correct. C. 1, 2, 4 correct. D. 1, 2, 3, 4 correct. The correct answer is C. 1, 2 and 4 correct. 172nd question. British rule was established in India with the cooperation of Indians and had survived only because of this cooperation. If Indians refused to cooperate, British rule in India would collapse within a year and Swaraj would come. Who said this? A. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. B. Motilal Nehru. C. Mahatma Gandhi. D. Balagangadhar Tilak. The correct answer is C. Mahatma Gandhi ji. 173rd question. In 1994, the Government of India set up a planning department under the chairmanship of A. S.N. Agarwal. B. M.N. Roy. C. Dr. John Mathai. D. Sir Ardesir Dalal. The correct answer is D. Sir Ardesir Dalai. 174th question. Match the list 1 and list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below the list. List 1 and 2. Registration of Congress Ministries 1943. Neil Statue Satyagraha 1942. C. Quit India Resolution 1927. Provincial Government of Free India 1939. The correct choice is C. 4, 3, 2, 1. Abhi reverse. C. Resignation of Congress Ministries 1939. Neil Statue Satyagraha 1927. Quit India Resolution 1942. Provincial Government of Free India 1943. 175th question. Who was arrested by the British government for the bomb explosion on 1933 at Silvithur police station? A. Satyamurthy. B. Parthasarathi. C. Kamaraj. D. Anandakrishnan. The correct answer is C. Kamaraj. 176th question. What is the title of the doctoral thesis of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar in 1923? A. The problem of the ruby. B. Caste system. C. Untouchability in India. D. Un-British rule India. The correct answer is A. The problem of the ruby. 177th question. Which of the following is incorrect? A. The Indian National Congress boycotted the first roundtable conference. B. Gandhiji attended the second roundtable conference. C. After the second roundtable conference, the Gandhi-Irwin Pact was signed. D. Communal award was associated with the third roundtable conference. The correct answer is C. After second roundtable conference, the Gandhi-Irwin Pact was signed. 178th question. Damini Co. was the land given by the British to the A. Sandal tribes, B. Kolu tribes, C. Garo tribes, D. Munda tribes. The correct answer is A. Sandal tribes. 179th question. Acid rains are produced by A. Excess NO2 and SO2 from burning fossil fuel. That is nitrogen oxide, nitrogen dioxide and sulfur dioxide. B. Excess production of NH3, ammonia by industry and coal gas. C. Excess release of carbon monoxide by incomplete combustion. D. Excess formation of CO2, that is carbon dioxide, by combustion and animal. The correct answer is A. Excess NO2 and SO2 from burning fossil fuel. 180th question. Why is the Himalayan region poor in mineral resource? A. Displacement of rock strata has distributed the arrangement. B. It is made of crystalline rock. C. The terrain makes exploitation of minerals difficult. D. The climatic conditions are not suitable for exploitation of minerals. The correct answer is A. Displacement of rock strata has distributed the arrangement. 181st question. Consider the following statements given below and choose the correct answer. Assertion A. Cultural diffusion is the spread of cultural beliefs and social activities from one group of people to another. Reason R. Cultural landscapes have been defined by the World Heritage Committees as cultural properties representing the combined work of nature and the nature of the man. A. Both A and R are true. R explains A. B. Both A and R are true. R does not explain A. C. A is true. R is false. D. A is false. R is true. The correct answer is B. Both A and R are true. R does not explain A. 182nd question. Astamudi is an important lagoon of the coast. A. Malabar coast. B. Konkan coast. C. Solomondal coast. D. Northern Sirkar coast. The correct answer is A. Malabar coast. 183rd question. Which of the following statements are true about population growth of India? 1. Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Odisha, which constitute 44% of total population of India in 1996. 2. Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Odisha, which constitutes 48% of total population in India in 2016. 3. The states contributed 70% of the total increase in population of the country during the period of 1996 to 2016. A. 1 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 1 and 2 only. D. 2 and 3 only. The correct answer is C. 1 and 2 only. 184th question. Choose the right matches. Kisi Khan, Orissa, Durgavati, Gondwana, Rana Uday Singh, Mewar, Kanwar Singh, Ajmer. A. 1 and 2 are correct. B. 2 and 3 are correct. C. 1 and 4 are correct. D. 3 and 4 are correct. The correct answer is B. 2 and 3 are correct. 185th question. In AD 1894, the Kashi Nagari Pracharani Sabha was founded in A. Delhi, B. Bombay, C. Madras, D. Calcutta. Correct answer is C. Madras. 186th question. Who was the first person to place the demand for the separate Muslim state in British India? A. Muhammad Iqbal, B. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, C. Rahmat Ali, D. Mountbatten. The correct answer is A. Muhammad Iqbal. 187th question. Assertion A. Federalism is merely an institutional arrangement for sharing power across multiple levels of government based on the principles of shared rule and self-rule. Reason or federations have constantly adjusted and adopted depending on political, social and economic situations. A is true but R is false. B. Both A and R are true. R is the correct explanation to A. C. A is false and R is true. D. Both A and R are true and R is not the correct explanation to A. The correct answer is B. Both A and R are true. R is the correct explanation to A. 188th question. Which of the following statements are true about Buddhism? 1. Buddhism denied the authority of Vedas. 2. Buddha's teachings were largely based on Brahminic ideas of Punarjanma, Karma, Moksha. 3. Buddhism was not practical and ethical. 4. Buddhism accepts God as creator. A. 1, 2, 3 are correct. B. 1 and 2 are correct. C. Only 2 are correct. 2 is correct. D. 3 and 4 are correct. The correct answer is B. 1 and 2 are correct. 189th question. Which of the following statements about Gupta society is true? 1. The Gupta emperors called themselves as Parama Pavadas. 2. Trade with Rome and China flourished. 3. Women were debarred from exercising public rights. 4. The custom of sati was practiced by them? A. 1 and 3 are correct. B. 3 and 4 are correct. C. Only 4 is correct. D. 1, 2 and 4 are correct. The correct answer is D. 1, 2 and 4 are correct. 119th question. Why ulamas had great influence in Muslim society, politics, administration and religion? A. They were in great numbers during the Delhi Sultanate. B. Due to their holy living and high thinking. C. They were well versed in Muslim theology and fiqh. D. They controlled trade and industry. The correct answer is C. They were well versed in Muslim theology and fiqh. 191st question. Which of the following are wrongly paired? Obligation for the state and individual to protect environment, Article 48A. 2. Early childhood care and education for all children until they complete the age of 14, Article 45. 3. Separate judiciary from the executive in the public services of the state, Article 39. 4. Voluntary formation, autonomous functioning of cooperative societies, Article 14. 4. A. 1, 2 and 3 only. B. 2, 3 and 4 only. C. 1 and 2 only. D. 3 and 4 only. The correct answer is D. 3 and 4 only. 192nd question. Assassin. Rule of law entails the all persons, both public and private institutions, the state and other entities are accountable to publicly promulgated laws. Reason. The rule of law forms the base to international peace and security, and it is the core to protect people's rights and their fundamental freedom. A. A is true but R is false. B. Both A and R are true. R is the correct explanation to A. C. A is false but R is true. D. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation to A. The correct answer is D. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation to A. 193rd question. Identify the incorrect statement about Lok Adalat. A. Lok Adalat is a mechanism for speedy trial of dispute. B. It is not a tool of the legal system. C. It is a kind of forum to settle cases in an amicable manner. D. Lok Adalat goes to people to deliver justice at their doorsteps. The correct answer is B. It is not a tool of the legal system. 194th question. Which of the following statements is or not true about governor? A. He appoints the Advocate General of State. B. He appoints the Chancellor of Universities in the state. C. He appoints the Chief Minister. D. He appoints State Election Commissioner. The correct answer is he appoints the Chancellor of Universities in the state. 195th question. Subject and year of enactment. BD and cigar worker 1979, contract labor 1976, equal remuneration 1970, migrant workman employment regulation 1966. So direct I will go to the choice. Choice is B. 4, 3, 2, 1. That is BD cigar worker 1966, contract labor 1970, equal remuneration 1976, migrant workman employment regulation 1979. 196th question. Need for a constitution for free India was suggested by A. Motilal Nehru, B. M.N. Roy, C. Subhash Chandra Bose, D. Mahatma Gandhi. The correct answer is B. M.N. Roy. 197th question. In a modern democratic state, citizenship is a natural right, B. legal right, C. statutory right, D. fundamental right. The correct answer is C. statutory right. 198th question. Match the following. BITS India Act 1874, decentralization of legislative powers of the Governor General. Chartered Act 1813, Governor General's government was known as Government of India. For the first time, Chartered Act 1833, appointment of Board of Control of 6 members. D. Indian Council Act 1861, deprivation of East India's Company monopoly trade in India. The correct answer is B. 3421. 3421. Pit India Act is appointment of Board of Control of 6 members. Charters Act 1813, that is deprivation of East India's Company's monopoly of trade in India. Charter Act 1833, that is Governor General's government was known as Government of India for the first time. Indian Council Act 1861, so that is number 1, decentralization of legislative powers of Governor General. 199th question. Which one of the following statement is not correct about the Indus Valley people? 1. The Indus Valley people worshipped trees and animals. 2. The principal deity of Indus Valley people was Krishna. 3. The Indus Valley people worshipped fire and water. 4. The principal deity of Indus Valley people was Mother Goddess. A. 1 and 3 only. B. 2 only. C. 1 and 2 only. D. 2 and 3 only. The correct answer is B. 2 only. 200th question. Who said delegated legislation and administrative tribunals are the manifestation of new despotism? A. John E. Kerzel. B. Sir Cecil Carr. C. Lord Howard. D. D.L. Hewitt. The correct answer is C. Lord Howard. So thank you very much. We'll meet with some other question. Thank you again.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, பெல் ஐக்கன் பிரஸ் பண்ண மறந்து போயிடாதீங்க. அப்பதான் நாங்க போஸ்ட் பண்ற வீடியோவோட நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் உங்களுக்கு வரும்.